Rust.Converter paint is a useful product for preventing and treating rust on various surfaces, including ships, storage tanks, automotive parts, railways, and bridges. Here are some guidelines for its best application in each of these contexts. Ships. Preparation. Clean the rusted area thoroughly to remove loose rust, dirt, and contaminants. Application. Apply the Rust.Converter paint evenly using a brush, roller, or spray, depending on the size of the area. Priming. In some cases, it may be beneficial to follow up with an appropriate marine primer and a top coat for added protection. Storage tanks. Preparation. Clean the tank surface, removing any rust, dirt, or oils that may interfere with adhesion. Application. Use a brush or roller for small tanks and spray equipment for larger tanks. Apply the Rust.Converter paint in an even coat. Priming. Depending on the specific type of storage tank and its contents, a compatible primer may be needed before applying the Rust.Converter. Automotive. Preparation. Clean the rusted area with a wire brush, sandpaper, or abrasive wheel to remove loose rust and expose bare metal. Application. Brush or spray the Rust.Converter onto the prepared surface. Top coat. After the Rust.Converter has dried, apply an automotive-grade primer and top coat for a finished, protective layer. Railways. Preparation. Clean the rusty railway components using appropriate methods, like wire brushing or sanding. Application. Apply Rust.Converter paint using a brush or spray equipment, depending on the size of the component. Follow-up. Some railway applications may require additional coatings or finishes to protect against weathering and wear. Bridges. Preparation. For bridge maintenance, abrasive methods like sandblasting are often used to remove extensive rust. Smaller rusted areas may be wire brushed or sanded. Application. Apply the Rust.Converter using a suitable method for the specific area. Follow up with a protective primer and top coat to ensure long-lasting protection. In all cases, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific Rust.Converter paint you're using. Additionally, ensure proper safety measures and ventilation when working with these products, especially in enclosed or high-volume applications. Regular maintenance and inspections are crucial to extend the life of the treated surfaces and prevent further rust